Today I will discuss more about the lesson about a billing system, use of water. First listen sincerely, then we will be discussing. Okay. Firstly, 1 unit about the case of water. That is 1000 liter of water is all 1 unit. So minimum consumption is assumed by 10,000 liter. 10,000 liters denoted by 10 units. Minimum charge of the bill Rs 100 for minimum consumption and extra charge for 32. Now, Kathmandu Upathyaka Khanepani Limited, on the basis of the record given by KUKL, the rate is this is latest one. Depends on the size of pipe as well. Half-inch pipe, 10,000 liter minimum consumption. Minimum charge is 100 and extra consumption rate per 1000 liter Rs 32. Similarly, for 3/4 inch pipe, this is the minimum consumption. Minimum charge is this and rate for extra is this. And accordingly, you can see the table. You can take a screenshot if you need. I think it is given in your book also. That is also okay. So I will not focus more on it because problem itself it is easier to discuss. Now moving to the next part, dear students, payment, rebate and fine charge. If you pay your bill within first and second month, 3% rebate or discount is given, will be provided. Within third month, there is no rebate and no fine. Fourth month, 10% fine. Fifth month, 20% fine. And after 5th month, 50% fine will be charged. Now, number one question. The amount of water bill of household of a month of Bhadra is this 150. Calculate the amount to be paid with 50%. You know this? What does it means? You know the meaning, Ankit?
Oh, yes, sir. Extra. Sir, it means extra.
Dhol Nikasi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the meaning. Dhol Nikasi. Miscellaneous charge 15. If the payment is made on the first week of asking, receiving a rebate of 3%. According to the questions, let me see. Water bill is 150. Sewerage charge is 50% of 150, that is 75 rupees. Subtotal is 150 plus 75 is 225. Rebate 3% of total bill is 6 rupees 75 paisa. Miscellaneous charge is 15 rupees. And the total payment is 225 of first subtotal minus 3% discount plus 15 rupees. In total, this much amount he need to pay or she need to pay. Be clear. I will wait for one more minute. Be clear about the solution and the question. Here the bill is given, directly amount is given. Billing is 150 rupees. But we have to find the total amount that need to be paid. So that 50% is Dhol Nikasi separate charge that will be added in that bill, and miscellaneous maybe some that is miscellaneous itself miscellaneous. So 15% is extra, and payment is made on the first week of Aspin. So uh, within first and second month we will get 3% discount. So again I will repeat, water bill is 150. This charge is 50% of this. 50% of 150, you know, 50 by 100 times 150 equal to easily 5 15 the 75. We obtain this, and subtotal is 150 of this plus 75 rupees equal to 225 rupees. Okay, then discount is 3% of total bill. 3 discount is 3 by 100 times 225, it is 6 rupees 75 paisa. You can find this. And miscellaneous charge is this. So the total payment amount of the water is, this is from here, discount will be deducted, that's why minus 75 paisa, and miscellaneous charge will be added, that's why it is 15 rupees. So in total 233 rupees 25 paisa is to be paid to the is a water bill. Now moving to the next part, dear students. Okay, can you take a screenshot of this question and write the response in chat box? Here only 250 is given, miscellaneous charge 25 given, others is similar. So you can solve this question yourself. This is practice question. Just take a screenshot and I will skip to the next. Please respond after taking the picture of this question. I hope you did it. Ankit or any other students? Okay, Roshika. Okay, thank you, done. Okay,
Answer.
okay, it takes. Okay, thank you. Now moving to the next question. Uh, Model number 2 question. In Kopil's house, the previous and current water meter reading is 1345, 1377 respectively. If 50% charge is applied to drainage supply, that is also, you understand, that is Dhal Nikasi. What is the total cost of Kopil has to pay excluding rebate and fine? Use payment system of given above. So in examination we will not ask in this way because there won't be any payment system in the question above the question. So we will provide the rate, but here just now we have discussed, so I made such question. Anyway, I will show the solution of this question, dear students. Okay, first of all, current reading is, oh, this is, sorry, this is current reading is, what is current reading? 1377 and previous reading is 1345. It's taken from here, and consume unit is CR minus PR. Okay, 1377 minus 1345, it is 32 unit. Yes, okay, it is 32 units. And the next part, minimum charge for the first 10 units is Rs 100. Okay, minimum charge for the first 10 units minimum charge for the first 10 units is 100, and remaining unit is 30 minus 10, that is 22 units. It is different than electricity techniques bill. So for minimum 10 units it is 100 rupees. So total consumed unit is 32 minus 10 is 22 units. For the rest unit, the total cost is 32 times 22. 32 is the rate and 22 is the units. 32 times 22 is 704. So the total subtotal cost is 100 rupees minimum charge plus 704 rupees of 22 units. Remaining 22 units, it is 804 rupees. Drainage supply cost is 50% of the subtotal or total bill. So it is 50% of 804 is 402. You can calculate 50 by 100 times 804. This 0 cot and it will be 402. So this is 402. Total bill to paid 804 plus this cost 402. It is 1206. Therefore, Kapil has to pay RS this 1206 rupees for the water consumption. Any RS 363? What is RS 600? Ankit, what are you mentioning? What are you writing?
So uh,
Sorry?
total amount after doing discount.
Uh, is there discount?
Or
Here we
rebate.
exclude rebate and fine. Just we have calculate.
Yes.
Okay. It is not given here, but
Previous question.
yeah. But that is not mentioned here, right?
Yes.
Kapil has to pay excluding rebate and fine mentioned. That is not concerned over here. Only we have calculated the B. That is discussed earlier. Then you may find, but no time is mentioned in here, so we cannot do that. Uh, Paid the bill after 2 months or within 1 month or after 3 months, that should be given to calculate about rebate and fine. I hope you understand. Can we move to the next, dear students? Can I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Can you- Okay, thank you. Now try yourself. Take the picture, dear students. This is for homework.
Sir, can you show that again?
Which one?
So that last one.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Done. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Welcome. Now this is homework for you all. List out the question because I will discuss all the methods and one question of what I discuss I will provide as a homework, and few selected questions only I will give you the homework from your textbook. Okay, unnecessary questions I will not give. I will not make you bored, dear students. Shall I move to the next part? Have you taken the picture of this? I hope you did.
Sir.
Now, model number 3, dear students. Let's read the question first. The meter reading for the consumption of water of a household was 1230 units of the 1st of Bhadra and 1275 units on the 1st of Ashos. It is clear. Calculate the charge to be paid including 50% sewerage service charge if the payment of the bill is made in the following schedule. Schedule in English, schedule in British. Okay, the within the second month after the bill issue, within the fourth month after the bill issue, and within the 6th month after the bill issue. This question shows the condition of all the conditions. You may try, you may find the cost after 2 months, you may find the cost after 4 months, after 6 months. So it gives all the relations, all types of questions will be discussed. So according to condition 1, 2, 3, we will find, firstly you should find in 1st of Bhadra 1230 and in 1st of Ashos 1275. 50% is sewerage charge, that is Dhol Nikasi service. Okay, let me find the solution. I believe you have this question. You have taken the picture of this question if necessary. Now meter reading of 1st Bhadra 1230, meter reading of 1st Ashos 1275. Consume unit of water is different of this.
Excuse me,
85
sir.
unit. Yes.
Can you show the previous slide?
Who you are?
Arugya.
Okay. Have you taken the picture?
Yes, sir, taken.
Okay. Now moving to this part, the minimum charge of 10,000 liter, that is 10 units. is 110, and additional unit of water consumption is 35 units more. Now the charge for 35 units of water equal to 35 times 25, 875. Total charge is 110 plus 875, 985. Again, charge including sewerage charge is 50% of this. It is 985 plus 50% of 985. It is this. If the payment is made within the second month, the required payment is 1477.50 minus 3% of this. It will be like this. If fourth month, 10% of fine will be charged. So fine is added over there. If it is paid in 6 months, the required payment is required payment 147750 plus 50% of this equal to this. Now take the picture of this. Can you solve this question? Can you solve this question? In this model number 4, in a hotel, here I have given the size of water pipe. So you have to focus in this part also. If it is 3/4 inch pipe, and we have to charge according to the next system, means the rate is different for this. For this 3/4 pipe, 27,000, that 20 unit is minimum. For that 1910 rupees is 27 units minimum, and 1910 is the minimum cost, and for the remaining we will multiply by our rate is 71, I guess. Okay, so dear students, you can find the current reading is this and previous reading is this. Different is 112 units. So here focus again. I have to explain over here. 3/4 inch pipe, the size of pipe, according to size of pipe the rate is different. So for minimum 27 units, the cost is 1910 rupees, and the rest 112 minus 27, that is 85. 85 multiply 71, you will find 6035 rupees. Now minimum charge plus the remaining charge, cost for the remaining charge is 7949. 50% charge for sewerage charge, so it will be added and need to pay 11,970 rupees 50 paisa is the bill amount. May I know if you have confusion? Please let me know your query. Here just you have to focus size of pipe. One part is this, others is the rate will be given in the table. So find the difference of consume unit. For first 27 unit apply minimum rate, then for the rest multiply by 71 rupees for the 85 units and add them Again add 50% of sewerage charge and find the bill. This is not completed. This is not completed. Now moving to the next part. Again, if he pays within 5th month, 20% extra fine is applied. If he paid within 5th month, 20% extra fine is applied. So 11,917.50 plus 20% of 8, it is 14,301 is the total amount that he need to pay. Any query, any questions, dear students? Can you mention in chat box? Can I go further?
Yes, sir, you can.
Okay, now for the last question, dear students. Please practice yourself. Please copy the question and solve right now. Copy the questions and solve right now.